Jupiter, Florida. Welcome back to allpropertyvideos.com YouTube channel. Today we're talking about Jupiter, Florida. And if you take a look at Jupiter and where it sits on the map, you'll notice that it's the very northern tip of the huge sprawling metropolis that is Greater Miami, that goes all the way from West Palm Beach all the way down through Miami. It's the very northernmost town there. As we spin around here, you'll kind of get a better idea. Of course, we're directly on the Atlantic Ocean. You'll see the Bahamas in the distance there, and as you curve around, you'll see the Miami metropolis going down through Fort Lauderdale. It's the northernmost town in Palm Beach County. It's got about 63,000 people in it, and just by way of comparison, the entire Miami metropolitan area has about 6 million people. So you can kind of get an idea there. It's rated as the 12th best beach town in America. Wallet Hub called it that in 2018. The 9th happiest seaside town in America by Coastal Living in 2012. So that's really the first thing that strikes me about Jupiter, is that you can be in a town that still retains some charm, that's still a classic Florida town, but yet be right next to this sprawling metropolis and all the people and everything that you could possibly want, just a little bit down I-95. So the real estate prices in Jupiter are really all over the board. Backing up here, west of I-95, there's a huge sprawling area called, you can see it in the lower left of your screen, called Jupiter Farms. And they're building houses there, and when they get done with those houses, they're typically in the $250, $350, $450, $100,000 range. The prices for the rest of Jupiter, they're very hard to generalize, but they all seem to kind of clustered in the $400,000 to $700,000 range. And of course, when you get onto the beach, you've got to remember you're just a little bit north of Palm Beach. The prices can just go completely astronomical. If you're looking for a great real estate agent, give me a call. I'm Don Wallace, 800-769-9964. I'm a referral-only agent with Park Place Realty Network. And what I do is I find fantastic real estate agents. And because I'm only do referrals, that allows me to be impartial and find somebody who's right for you. Give me a call. Thanks. Make it a great day.